Do you have neck stiffness or soreness from working on a computer or maybe even from an accident? Here's a few exercises that we do here in the office to help fix that. Hey everyone, my name is Dr. Tyler Kaye from Medina Sports and Family Chiropractic. Today I'm going to show you a few exercises that we do with people who have neck soreness or pain. I'm sure that you're sitting at your computer, you've been working from home even, and you're sitting like this. So what we're going to do, the first exercise is going to be reversing that. So the first thing you're going to do is going to do what's called a chin tuck. I want you to pretend that there is a shelf underneath your chin so you can't look down. You're going to go straight back. Now, I'm not a huge person on posture. You don't have to live in perfect posture all day, every day. If you were to sit like this for 8 hours, you're going to be sore. So what I want to do is just give your posture a break and get you into a different one. Your body loves movement, so let's move. All right, exercise number 2 is going to be a nerve floss. What you're going to do is going to be sitting down, bringing your shoulder up to about 90, and you're going to tilt your head towards your hand as you tilt your hand back. Then you're going to reverse it. Hand goes forward, head goes the other way. Then back. We're going to do this about 10 times. Exercise number 3 that we like to do for people with neck pain and stiffness. This one is called a Bruger Stretch. So the thought is we are all working like this, internally rotated on shoulders, slumping forward, head is coming forward. So we're going to do the exact opposite of that. Let's sit up straight. We're going to take our arms and bring them back into external rotation and do that chin tuck.